Hello and welcome to the demo video of push leads. We're going to start by creating our first application. You need a name and your personal subdomain for push leads. For example, we'll go with testing and our personal subdomain will be testing. I'm going to hit save. In case the subdomain is already taken, you should get this error, so you should change it. I'll go with testing 2. Okay, so our subdomain was created and our application is right here. Our first step is getting this notification which says our application is currently being created. Now for around 15 minutes you can manage your application, but you can't send push notifications or gather your audience. But you can put up this script or start installing the WordPress plugin. Either way, you can start making the application to feel as you want it. The first thing you would like to do is go to settings. This can be changed at any time and you don't have to change anything if you've already included the script on your website. You can put up a title, description, allow button text and disallow button text. You can show this on mobile or not. You can customize the visual aspects of the opt-in box for your website. For example, the template, the position and the alignment, and the opt-in text for when a pop-up will open and ask the person to sign up for notifications. You can customize the branding of the push notifications and the pop-up, adding your business icon or logo. You can upload it right here. And if you want, you can set up your Google project number and API key for Google Cloud Messaging. An in-depth tutorial will come up here into the resources to teach you how to get this for your application. We recommend doing this directly at the start or later on, but it's much better if you do it at the start because people, if unlucky, would get double opt-ins. Okay, so we recommend that you do this right away if you want to, or postpone it for a while. This is for each application that you create. So we allow this Google project number for each application. You can have as many applications as you want, depending on your purchase. You can also create landing pages if you want to start up gathering your audience, but this feature is available only if you purchase the OTO one. When sending a notification, you can put up a title, a body, a link, and an image if you want to. So you can leave this blank if you don't want to use a custom image, and we will use your business icon. If you want to use a custom image for this notification, you will need to use a self-hosted one. So just paste the link to your image here. Make sure it ends in .png, .jpg, or you could attempt to use GIF when they will work properly. This is depending on the push notification API of each browser. If you want, just go ahead and use a GIF image. Once they support it, we will also support it. You also have statistics in here and all your notifications will come up here. Right now, I'm going to send a notification. Unfortunately, it won't reach anyone. So I'll just go with test, no link and no image. And I'm going to hit save, send. The message was sent. It will be sent around this time, depending on the queue. This is usually accurate. Now, this one didn't send yet because I don't have absolutely no subscribers. So if you want, you can schedule your notifications if you don't have subscribers. If you send a notification before gathering a list, this one will stop trying to be sent only after you have your first subscriber. So you can pretty much put up here a message while you're preparing your application, and when you sign up, they will get it. Not usually recommended, but you can do it. My application is still being created, and after it's being created, I can start gathering my audience. Just paste this on your site or install the WordPress plugin. and it will work out of the box. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this script on my site and what it will show in just a minute. Okay, and we are back. Right now I've added this into my WordPress website, not using the application, but using the JavaScript code. Now, what I did here was copy this link and put it within my WordPress post, okay? You can pretty much do this, or you can install the WordPress plugin, and after you've configured it under settings, push leads, you will see up something here called push leads, and you can choose any of your applications at any time. Let me show you how the administration actually works and looks. So after logging in, you can see that it tells me as I'm currently connected, and I can log in using my push leads account right here, and I will have all my applications listed. If you purchase the OTO one, you will have the option to use your own domain for this notifications and gathering your list. This is much more recommended, and it will be done automatically if you have HTTPC as a SSL connection and have the OTO one. Will automatically use your own domain, and you won't have this box anymore. Users will come up here with a notification to directly subscribe to these notifications. For example, right now when I hit allow, you will see that this browser is asking me that I want to receive push notifications from here, and I can say always receive notifications. And if you're using your own domain, you'll have it directly here, this message, so users skip a step. This helps you get more opt-ins, and we recommend that everyone gets an SSL connection and the OTO one to make sure that they get the best opt-in rates available. Thank you for watching this demonstration video, and I hope you like it. Again, let's send the notification together. You can see that when I'm looking again at the dashboard, if my app is already configured, this message will go away. It will go away in a few moments. Just wait, because the app is working right now for me, but it also may not be available in each country while the domain is being propagated. Again, this usually takes 15 minutes. You can see that we created the application less than 7 minutes ago. So right now I'm going to send a message. And unfortunately you won't see it because my screen is really big, but you will hear it. Yeah, so you can see it reaches 1, the delivery is 1, and if I go to the statistics, it will tell me that it reached 1 person on Firefox, and it delivered to 1 person. That's a 100% reach rate. And the click rate is 0 because I didn't have a link set up. Okay. Well, have a great one and have fun using push leads.